If you think making more money means working more hours, you've been lied to. One of these 5 facts lets you earn more even while you sleep. And no, it's not crypto or dropshipping hype. Stick around and I'll show you how. I'm about to reveal 5 overlooked, proven money-making truths that actually move the needle. No fluff. Fast wins you can act on today, using only stock media and simple tools. Ready? Let's go. Most people feel stuck because the advice is loud, scattered, and weirdly complicated. You're told to hustle harder, start a business, invest, build an audience, negotiate, all at once. Result? Overwhelm. Here's the shift. I treat money like a game with 5 cheat codes. Each fact is a lever. Pull it, and your results jump without doubling your workload. And I keep it dead simple. 1 small move per fact. Repeat weekly. Whether you're a student, freelancer, or 9 to 5, these facts cut through the noise and show you where the real gains hide. Think less grind, more leverage. Fact 1. Skill stacking beats single skill mastery early on. Combine 2 good, not world-class skills. Canva design basic copywriting, and you instantly stand out. Example. Offer thumbnail refresh title tweak bundles on freelance sites. 1 client can triple your hourly rate because you solve 2 problems at once. Fact 2. Negotiation is the fastest legal raise. A 10% bump on your salary or freelance rate beats a year of skipping lattes. Script it, given the outcomes I've delivered. Metric. The market rate for this role is range. Can we align at number? 1 10-minute conversation can be worth thousands a year. Fact 3. Systems outperform motivation. Automate progress so money grows even on lazy days. Example. Set a weekly 1-hour offer lab. Ship 1 micro offer, template, checklist, mini audit. Pair it with an automatic transfer into an index fund or high-yield savings every payday. You remove willpower, keep momentum. Fact 4. Ownership pays you when you're not there. Wages stop when you stop. Assets don't. You don't need millions. Start tiny. Turn 1 solution you already built into an owned asset. Notion dashboard, a spreadsheet calculator, a preset pack. List it on a marketplace, price it modestly, and keep improving it monthly. Capped effort, recurring sales. Fact 5. Distribution is the ultimate money multiplier. A decent offer with strong distribution beats a great offer nobody sees. Build 1 channel where people gather around your topic. Email list, short-form series, or a simple weekly guide. Example. Post 3 tips a week on 1 niche problem, invite people to a free checklist, collect emails, then sell your micro offer. The list compounds. Every new product launches to a warm audience. That's leverage. Recap. 1. Stack skills. 2. Negotiate first. 3. Use systems, not willpower. 4. Own assets that pay you. 5. Build distribution that multiplies everything. If this helped, like the video, subscribe to The Quiet Economy, and press the bell icon for more informative content. Drop your favorite fact or your own quick money tip in the comments. I read them all and might feature yours next.